Welcome back to Dean's Garage. So we're at the final legs of this build. Everything has been done except for one final detail, and that's the rocker panels. If you remember the rocker panels from the little recon we did, I think it was episode 2 or 1, whatever it is. I don't know. It's been 2.5 months. It's been a long time. But those things were terrible. I mean, like bad. Holes like Swiss cheese, like, you know, Batman and Robin. Holy rusted metal, Batman. You know, Batman. Right. Bad. So we need to get those suckers out, and we will be finally done with all the things that needed to get done to that dang truck. So let's cut out that cancer, let's get it going, and we will soon be ready to paint.
As the drum roll started on that day, 100 miles away, a million shells were fired, and the green fields turned to grey. The bombardment lasted all day long, yet the forts were standing strong. Heavily defended, now the traps been sprung and the battle's begun. Descending to darkness, 303 days below the sun, Fields of Verdun, and the battle has begun. No way to run, father and son fall one by one under the gun. Thy will be done, and the judgment has begun. No way to run, father and son fall one by one, Fields of Verdun. Though a million shells have scarred the land, no one has the upper hand. From the ground above to trenches, where the soldiers make their stand, as the trenches slowly turn to mud, and they quickly start to flood. As the waves in every corner, as they glide about through the trenches of blood, descending to darkness. 303 days below the sun, Fields of Verdun, and the battle has begun. No way to run, father and son fall one by one under the gun. Thy will be done, and the judgment has begun.
So I had to go to work, so that means there's no footage of Sean actually installing all of this. But yeah, the rocker panel is finally put together inside the truck, and hey look, no rot out, so we've fixed that problem. But that means the body is finally done. Time to move on to the next steps.
And the judgment has begun. No way to run, father and son fall one by one, Fields of Verdun. Fields of execution turn to wasteland from the grass. Thou shalt go no further, it was said they shall not pass. The spirit of resistance and the madness of the war. So go ahead, face it and join the dead, though you die where you lie, never asking why.
Alright, the big day has come, so it looks like that, and pretty soon it's going to look like... And now it's primed. And that means we get to do more sanding. We got to take this thing up to 2,000 grit. You know what? More sanding? No, fuck this shit. I did not sign on for this shit to be all this much sanding, and I'm tired of doing this. And just like that, it's primed. And now we got to do some more sanding. Hooray! God, I'm getting tired of this, but I'm also getting used to it. So, what we got to do now is we got to take that thing up to 2,000 grit. So we're going to do another quick, just, you know, montage, or we'll just snap and see what happens. Either way. Well, that escalated quickly. Some people sing the blues. I'm feeling kind of gray. So now that this thing's been primered, Sean told me something that I didn't think was going to be happening, but once it was primered and one color, you would see all the problems. I'm like, dude, I know I sanded that thing. There's no problems. Well, guess what? There are little pock marks in places where I apparently didn't sand it well, or fill it well, or whatever you want to call it. So now we gotta red putty this bullshit again and sand again. before we sand it for the final sand. I hate sanding. Sanding can go to hell.